The latest Play Services release includes references to a Spot app. Google might be dealing with growing Android's Find My device usefulness to all the more intently match the abilities of Apple's Find My organization. Directing an API teardown of the most recent Play administration's discharge, 9 to 5 Google discovered proof of an API called Spot. The power source empowered the component to get a Discover My Device organization switch to appear inside Android's settings menu. As most Android clients know, Google's portable working framework as of now incorporates a Find My Device highlight that permits your telephone to utilize a Wi-Fi or cell association with assistance you find it on the off chance that you lost it. Apple's Find My network ups the stakes by including Bluetooth and super wideband along with everything else. Lost Apple and outsider gadgets can communicate a short-range signal which close-by iOS gadgets then, at that point, transfer to Apple's workers to help you track down your lost thing. By the vibes of things, Google intends to work out a comparative organization. On the off chance that the organization pushes ahead with the task, it's anything but clear how broad the subsequent stage will be practically speaking. For instance, will it work with gadgets from all Android and Wear OS producers or simply those made by Google? How you'll interface with the organization is additionally muddled. 9 to 5 Google trusts Google will deliver a going with Spot application, however the site couldn't decide the specific reason for the product. Likewise with all APK teardowns, we'll call attention to there's no assurance we'll see Spot appear into something Google will deliver to general society. Simultaneously, it's anything but a stretch to see the organization advance Find My device thusly. All things considered, it accomplished something almost identical with Android Beam and the inevitable arrival of Nearby Share. In any case, we've contacted Google for input, and we'll refresh this article when we hear back from the organization.